Hey guys, Hardware Tech Site here. Today I'm gonna show you how to compress your videos without losing quality using Handbrake. Okay, first I will need you to open up your browser. I'm just gonna use AeroSnap to help me out here. Okay, go to the address bar. Come on, sorry. Okay, go to handbrake.fr, handbrake.fr. Then you will need to go to download. It has versions for Mac OS, Windows, Ubuntu, Fedora, and others. The current release version is 0.9.5. I'm using Windows 7. I'll click on download for Windows. For Mac, click here. For Ubuntu, here. Okay, click on download. Then it will start download. It will take you to sourceforge.net. Your Handbrake download will start in 5 seconds. If you're using Google Chrome, you will see it down here. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, it will open up a new window, and also the same in Windows Internet Explorer. Click on keep or click on save if you're using Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer, but I won't do that. I already have it done. I'm just gonna discard. Then go to where you save the file to. I saved it in my downloads folder. It's called Handbrake 0.9.5 win_GUI. When you're using Mac, it's gonna be probably named other. Also the same in Ubuntu. Then you will need to double click, then install. Click on yes. Handbrake is already installed. Handbrake is already installed. I'll just quit this, but you will need to install that. Now when you're done, you'll get an icon in your desktop when you're allowed to make an icon to your desktop. Double click on Handbrake. It will take 10 to 15 seconds to load up. Then when you get that, first you will need to click on source, then video file. Okay, wait, I'm sorry about that. I have a video here. It's called test video. Let's see. The quality is good. Okay. I saved the test video file in my desktop. Click on source, video file. Then go to your desktop. Then scroll down till you go to your desktop or where you save the video file. Then click on that. You can open. It's gonna process the title. When you get a warning, you currently have automatically name output files enabled for the destination file box, but you do not have a valid default directory set. You should set a default path in Handbrake's preferences. See Tools menu, then go to Options, then General tab, then Default path. But that's fine. You won't need to do that. Okay, destination. Where do you want to save the file? Click on Browse. I want to save it onto my desktop again. I'm gonna name it Test Video. Test Video 1. Click on Save. Then you're just gonna click on Start. It's gonna start encoding. Then we'll see, and then it will tell you how much time remaining. It's 40 seconds. Coding finished. Then let's see. The same quality, nothing much has changed. The original video file, same quality, nothing much has changed. Also, let's see the size of the original video file. It's 36.4 megabytes. Let's see the compressed file. It's only 1 megabyte, 1.09 megabytes to be exact. See how much that has changed. Okay, thanks for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys.